To add 3D to Wix, you will need to embed or integrate a 3D model into your Wix website. The first step is to create or obtain a 3D model. You can use software such as Blender or SketchUp to create your own 3D model or download pre-made models from websites like TurboSquid or GrabCAD. Once you have your 3D model, you will need to export it in a format that can be used on the web, such as GLB or OBJ. You can then use a 3D model viewer or a plugin to embed the model into your Wix website. Wix has a range of third-party apps and plugins that can be used to add 3D models to your website, such as Sketchfab or Clara.io. To embed a 3D model into your Wix website, go to the Wix App Market and search for a 3D model viewer or plugin. Click on the app you want to use and then click Add to Site. Follow the instructions to connect the app to your Wix website and upload your 3D model. You can then customize the appearance and behavior of the 3D model, such as changing the background color or adding animations. You can also use Wix built-in design tools to customize the layout and design of the page. It is also important to consider the file size and complexity of your 3D model, as large or complex models can slow down your website. You should also ensure that your 3D model is optimized for web use and is compatible with different devices and browsers. By following these steps, you can easily add 3D to your Wix website and create a more engaging and interactive user experience. Remember to keep your 3D model simple and optimized for web use to ensure that it loads quickly and runs smoothly on your website.